service that the Hunters Hill Community Services provides, where several meals are prepared and delivered to the marginalised and the socially isolated, where volunteers such as myself will go to several addresses delivering the meals that we prepared earlier. Volunteering for services such as this one, it gives a sense of accomplishment. It feels genuinely rewarding to do. Like the Meals on Wheels, going around to the clients' houses, and you see like their smiles and they feel, and they give genuine gratitude to you. They say thank you, and you feel like you've made the day a bit better. It makes it worth doing.